Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2019 17 Montauk. One of our top sellers down here, does everything very, very well. One of the neat features that it does have, it's at its size, the trailer it comes with is a galvanized trailer. It has the fold-away tongue. It'll fit in a lot of garages. A lot of times, up to the 22, no problem. So if you can keep it inside, much better, especially down here, keeping it out of the weather. And as you see, the profile of the boat, the redesign is absolutely gorgeous. They lighten the lines up where it's not as boxy as it used to be, and the redesign is gorgeous, and it also affects the ride as well. Makes it for a much softer, smoother ride. As we move down the bow, you're going to see we have the bimini top up here. Keep you out of the shade if you want it. You can fold it down if you're fishing, get it out of the way. Has a real teak step getting in from both sides. And as we get down to the back of the boat, it's powered by the Mercury 4-stroke. It's the 115. It's plenty of horsepower to get this boat right up on the plane and give you a real good top end as well. So it does everything very, very well. Again, inside, up onto the beach, hop off the front, you can do anything you want, but it's also a big enough and safe enough boat to take you out in the Gulf and enjoy the Gulf as well. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 17 Montauk. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's on starboard as well as port. You've got 2 rod holders on each side, all non-skid around on the step as well. So anywhere that you step, you're going to be safe with the non-skid, so good traction all the way around the boat. And we get the same thing on port side as well. We also have the low profile rails that go all the way down both sides. So both 2 on the rear and 2 on the forward. And then we've got a very large storage under the seat, under the helm seat. So fenders, lines, fishing gear, anything you need, plenty of room right there, conveniently located as well. Then when you're driving the boat, you stick up the seat, you flip it backwards, and then you get a very comfortable 2-person helm seat. We've got the Marine, which a lot of the whalers don't come with electronics. This particular one has the touchscreen. Marine, fantastic, fits perfectly in here, and it's all you need to be out in the water and keep you safe. All your gauges and everything all right here. And then as we slide around the back, you've got large storage. We actually have the prop for the boat there, but just to be able to keep life jackets and all those things in there out of the weather. As we move to the bow, got more rod holders, so you've got 4 more rod holders there. You've got 4 in the back, you've got 4 more rod holders here. You've got a comfortable seat here, you can put 2 people. It has a cooler underneath, so it's a good seat, and it's a big cooler, so it does that well. And then you've got the anchor locker here, and then you've got more storage right here. So the boat, for a 17-foot boat, it's a fish box, you can put the fish in there, you can ice it down, self-draining. It really is set up very, very well for fishing. So if it's got the trolling, the attachment for the trolling motor right there, so it's all ready to go. So if you want to throw a trolling motor on there, the panel's on there, all wired up, ready to go, real easy to do. So great little boat. 17 Montauk is just one of our top sellers down here because it does everything well, inside to shallow water and then out into the Gulf as well. So if you've got any questions on it, please call me. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.